This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry theory effectively. Begin by mastering foundational concepts such as atomic structure, chemical bonding, and stoichiometry. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Work through numerous practice problems and exercises to solidify your understanding. This hands-on approach is crucial for building a strong base in chemistry. Move beyond memorization to truly grasp the why behind chemical phenomena. Visualize molecular structures and reaction mechanisms in your mind or by drawing them out. This helps in understanding complex processes. Always strive to connect new information with what you've already learned, creating a cohesive mental framework for the subject. Chemistry theory often involves applying concepts to solve problems. Practice a wide variety of problem types, from quantitative calculations to qualitative reasoning. Learn to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. Critically review your incorrect answers to understand where you went wrong, which is a powerful learning tool. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit previously studied topics to reinforce your memory and deepen your understanding. Creating concise summary notes or flashcards can be incredibly effective for quick recall. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your instructors or study groups when you encounter challenging concepts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.